Hey guys, today I've got a block drain which is causing a few issues. We cleaned the roof and some of the moss and lichen came down and blocked one of our drains. What we're going to do is we're going to try and unblock it. Stay with us. So what I went out and got today is the Karcher Pipe Cleaning Kit. So we're going to use this to try and unblock this drain. What this kit does is it connects to the end of the pressure washer and has this little nozzle here. Now this little nozzle will spray a jet straight out the front and a few jets out the back to forward it or push it through the pipe, so breaking up all the organic matter. So we're going to give this a try. Okay, so it just connects in like that. Now it's locked into place. What I'm going to do first is try and get rid of some organic matter. So what I'm going to try and do is get my wet and dry vac, and we're going to connect it in. And see if we can suck up as much as we can. Okay, now we're going to make sure it's all connected. I think we've got water, we've got power, we just need the gun. Focus it down here. It's pulling it. Okay, so it seems good that way. Let's see if we can pull it out. Okay, that's good. So day 2, after using the Karcher drain cleaner, it seems to have unblocked it. I also used this as well. Just pretty much got it down there and kept pumping it, and I think I dislodged a lot of the stuff. Now I'm just trying to clean the drain out as much as possible because there's lots of bits of dirt and debris in there, and so far it's doing a lot better. So all in all, yeah, I'm pretty impressed with it. Thanks guys. If you like this content, please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.